I did it like 3 seconds after you.
No.
No.
I got you, Adam.
Thanks.
It's great content for you. Cooking centipede.
Okay,
The best ingredient is love.
welcome to Baked Buddies
Yeah.
Cook Sushi. And today we're going to cook sushi. Alright, let's get going.
It's like we're drinking something.
Alright, so first up, 2 cups of rice to 3 cups of water. So I'm going to get Ben and Tristan to cook the vegetables. Or cut the vegetables. Cut the vegetables. Stupid idiots. There you go. They're going to go on the sushi. Wrapping paper.
Where's my chopping station?
There's a. Just grab a cook there.
This doesn't
I want to get close-ups. Adam, I want to get close-ups of my chopping.
Okay. Look, there's that camera just there that's literally doing the exact same thing.
We're doing this in like long strips, aren't we?
Yeah, like as long as it. So it has to go all the way along that sort of size. Alright, so it's 2 cups of rice. How do you reckon you rinse rice?
Loosely.
What? What are you doing?
You have to rinse the rice, they said.
I don't put it in a strainer or something.
I reckon we can just pour it out.
Okay. Yeah, if you just put it in the strainer.
Alright, Adam, what do you think of this capsicum?
Yeah, Adam, you're in charge. How does this look? Why did this look
Really?
like a good sizes?
Yeah? Yeah?
It wasn't very convincing. I
It's
feel like
fine.
he didn't like it.
No, I don't. Yeah, that looks good. Why are you putting them in there?
I need a trash thing.
The trash is.
You've got that?
True.
All you need is what?
Huh?
You just started putting the
Trash in a pot.
trash in the pot to make the.
What are you doing, man?
Mate, it's like a stock. It's adding flavour.
Same flavour.
Got the carrot on the pot, it needs to be washed.
So, once you've got
Put
the
the carrot in the pot.
rice, you gotta boil it for about 20 minutes. Hey Google, can you put a timer on for 20 minutes? This chopped?
20
Yeah.
minutes.
But yeah, so like really thick. Because the idea is that it's going in the middle of sushi. You know what sushi looks like. I guess.
That sounds like no.
Well, I'm
You're the guy who's
I'm
read
sure
the
it's-
recipe. Me and Tristan, we don't know what's going on. We're just chopping stuff right now.
Yeah. Apparently inadequately chopping stuff.
Yeah. But
Did
also not being benchmarked very well to any.
Thin, like sushi.
So that's going to go on for 20 minutes. At the same time, we need to make the sauce for the rice. So essentially, it's half a cup of rice wine vinegar. Stop.
Oh, is that for the? Well, let me just get this last bit.
And you're already throwing it away.
Do you have any trash? Would you like it?
Yeah, it's like a stock.
All right.
What else can I chop now?
You want to do avocado? Half a cup of rice wine. So you also want to make sure you stir the rice so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan.
How come Tristan gets more jobs than that?
Would you want to? Would you like to put together this?
Nah, it's okay.
You're in the camera. Interesting.
No, I wanted my hands in the shot.
Oh well then. Just pull it down. Okay, 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, and all the instructions for how to make your own sushi will be in the description below. Don't laugh at me.
I don't know what's happened with this camera, but it's not a fan of big move. It like lost it. It's like got a motor in there. Oh, I must have touched the button.
Yeah.
I grabbed it and it just started like vibrating. I was like, it's the drone all over again.
Why is this so... This is like right in there.
Come Ben, hold on. Come over to the camera.
On camera.
Don't wreck up my carrots though.
Alright, So 1 tablespoon of oil.
Give me a shot. I want to beat you.
A quarter of a cup of sugar.
I'm better.
No, I'm just gonna mangle the
Do it in the
avocado.
camera. Let me try. He just tore it out with his hand.
Man.
And then 1 teaspoon of salt. Sure.
Sure.
I don't know what the question was. I wasn't really listening.
What's next?
What's next? After the cutting, we have to just wait for the rice. As long as you stir in the rice, we're good. And then there's like a pause section where we have to wait for the rice to cool down. We're ready to go. So today we're making tuna sushi rolls, and we're also making, I put them in the fridge, smoked salmon as well. So we're waiting for this to simmer down,
Try and move this camera, man.
and we're just going to continue to stir the rice.
So now our rice is cooked. You want it to look like this. You can see that the water's boiled off. It's looking pretty coagulated.
Yep, see?
We're gonna add this special sushi rice sauce that was made of the sugar and the rice wine vinegar. We're gonna add that to the rice, and that's gonna make it all sticky and taste good. And that's how we do the rice, fellas.
Yeah, so then we just mix it through and leave it.
We want it to cool.
See you in about an hour to roll them up. Tastes pretty, tastes like sushi rice.
Yep. Very good, Adam.
The vinegar. Too much. Or more than I'm used to.
Nah, it's fine.
That tastes alright.
It's fine. Tristan, you're wrong.
I didn't say there's anything wrong with it. I just said it wasn't.
Tristan, you're wrong.
Right, so it's been about, 45 minutes, 50 minutes. The rice is cooled, so it's pretty, clumpy. Now we're gonna finish making the sushis.
Yeah.
This is not straight person information. How am I supposed to?
No, so you see how this is the shiny side?
Yep.
You want it to not be on the shiny side. Shiny
Did
side
you say,
goes
you
on
know
the
how he tried to communicate that? He said, see how it rolls.
Yeah. I'm happy with that amount of rice.
So you wanna make more.
You want shiny side up or down? Adam?
Shiny side down. Because you roll.
You smushed it too much. Just put it on. Don't smush.
I mean, they're both pretty shiny.
I don't
bro.
want to smush.
Right, roll up.
How come Tristan gets this nice thing?
Because
He
I shocked himself. Welcome to the jungle.
This is your house. He's a guest.
There's not enough room behind there.
There is.
I'll make room.
Just squeeze in.
Oh wow, there's not room enough here for this many people, guys.
Guys, why are we not using the whole frame?
That's why you spend more space.
I want people to see mine.
Tristan!
Yours is my trash
Why are you
area.
putting mine?
I'm just storing my trash in your area.
Yes.
Just store your trash on his sushi.
Alright, cool.
Look, bro, you fucking my shit up.
I didn't touch your shit.
Oh, I've gone too big. I can feel it.
Yeah,
I told
we tried to tell you.
How much? You haven't even put any tuna in it.
I know.
He's making a vegetarian one, the loser.
Oh god, I gotta take some out.
Tristan, don't chuck it on mine, you cunt.
What's that for, Angus? See guys, the trick is to put the mayonnaise in there.
No, yeah. So we've got some Kewpie mayonnaise. That's what it's called, isn't it?
You buy mayonnaise.
Kewpie.
Cool pie. Cool pie. What's got a little thingy on it? Oh, it does. So that's the thing about these mayonnaise bottles. Sometimes they have a little bit of foil over the top. You gotta remove it. Here's a close up.
I bet you like to roll it out of focus too.
The whole rest of the film is just fucked. The more mayonnaise, the better.
There you go,
no.
Tristan.
No, I've done my shit now.
The more mayonnaise, the better. That's so much.
That's not much. It's good. Mayonnaise is good. Yum.
Now we roll.
And now you roll.
I feel like I've got too much. in
So
my
you want to
way.
maybe like wet it a little bit. Tristan's got the mat.
This is like when you make tacos and you overload it, and it's just a fucking
Catastrophe.
Look at this shit. Where are you starting from the right side?
I'm starting from the right side.
What part are you wetting?
The other side.
It's not me. This is why you're in charge.
I'm not in charge.
You're in charge.
Right, so then you just
Adam's
slow.
paying me and Tristan to do this.
I'm not. They might get some free sushi out of it.
Yeah.
And then you roll it.
Yeah, dick wet, you know?
Adam's the one getting some sushi, you know what I'm saying? Getting a nice fat roll of sushi.
Yeah, dick wet again.
Where did Tristan get this language from?
I don't know. I don't think I've ever heard him talk so
I've
like.
never heard him be like, yeah, boys, getting our dick wet, eh?
No, because he poured water on my dick before.
Oh, now I get it.
You guys never get the last to my joke.
No, I was just like, Tristan's just
You
being
have your
crude.
first little sushi. Oh, Tristan, yours looks fucking choice.
Yeah.
Because he has the roller.
No.
You did a good job.
Ben's is good,
Alright.
yours is just a little shitty power. Me and Ben,
Fuck,
we got
look
three
at that.
sticks.
Tristan's thick.
Hey, mine's warm too.
Boom.
Alright, so like what we should probably do is like
Well,
wrap.
Do you want to have? You can have the mat this time.
Yeah,
See if that helps.
it feels like you need it.
Alright, well, let's keep going. We got a shit ton of rice.
Stop throwing your rice on my side, man.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck off, that's my rice.
Why are you making a mess? Mate, get out of my area.
Get out of my area.
I got stuck in the middle.
No, you want the middle.
Yeah. This,
Oh,
the salmon.
this is it.
Yeah, that's the salmon.
Yeah,
Well, let's do close up as we open.
yeah, Tristan, open it.
Next to the sound.
Next to the sound.
Smells good, boys.
Yes, fresh salmon straight from the plastic. Yeah, but I wanted the sound. Hear that?
Yeah, I can hear that.
I can hear
They'll
it.
definitely be able to hear that,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, I hope that makes the cut. It's just me holding up some salmon and squeezing it around a bit. Sexually. Well, this is a big one. You want to wrap it up tight, Adam?
Well, I can't because Tristan just keeps grabbing my shit out of my hand.
Tight.
Mate, it's not gonna help you, alright? It's a little shitty one. Nothing you can do is gonna save it.
Wrap them up and then chuck them in the fridge and then. Or maybe just wrap them all. Just cover them up.
Mate, I don't know. This is...
Well, I'm just saying, like, because we're gonna do a taste test, right?
How do you clean that, big boys?
Don't pay me enough.
There you go, Tristan. Have some protein.
Here you go. Cling wrap. You can buy this at any good like grocery store usually, like Woolworths, Coles. Got any more boys? IGA. Foodworks.
That's pretty good. You got rice in the
So we got tuna and we have salmon, and yeah, I'm gonna try one for the first time. You guys already been eating.
Tastes good.
That's
Yeah.
like sushi.
Yeah, that's right.
That's like sushi.
We didn't screw it up.
Just screw it up.
You have to get like
Salmon is real good.
get a tuna.
See, and if you have a couple of hours,
Yeah.
great meal. Well, thanks so much for watching the first episode of Baked Buddies on Walk the World 360 channel, where we make international cuisine.
Next week, pizza.
Pizza next time.
No, it's got to be a surprise.
Oh, surprise!
Next week.
Surprise! Surprise!
It keeps them watching. They're like, oh, I wonder what the next one's gonna be. Boom, pizza. Give him the country.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Next one's gonna be Italy.
Italy.
You can guess what it's gonna be. Tell us in the comments. Boom.